Hi guys, tonight we're going to be doing a Eastwood Abrasive Blaster or Blast Pot unboxing. We bought it so that we could put it in our blast cabinet back here somewhere, right there. Later on this week we're going to also do the upgrade, or actually Wednesday. We're going to hit Home Depot and we're going to get all the parts to do the upgrade from 3/8 to 1/2 inch. We know on Facebook a lot of you guys have mentioned that you either done them or you want to do them and you want to know how to do them. So we're going to get all the parts and we're going to put it all together in detail for you guys and make a little video. That way it just makes it so it helps. Also, on October 1st, we have the Bitcoin giveaway coming out. So the information is right there. So make sure to do that. With that, we're going to do the first $50. It's going to be taken from the video. The second $50 will be taken from the Facebook extra entries. So go ahead and do them also. Just gives you a better chance. And with that being said, we have one video coming out. My buddy did his rims. So we have that video being premiered on Monday at 7 p.m. Eastern time. With the premiere, apparently it plays and it's live. So if you have any questions, the first time it plays, I think it's like 13 minutes, I'll be on it also. So you can text if you have any questions or anything like that during that video. And of course, after it's done playing for the first time, it's no longer live, it just plays. He's also he edits. So I asked him gave him all my stuff and he has his stuff. And I asked him to edit the videos the way he wants to. And I may also throw that content up there just to get a different view of it from somebody that's a noob. Because he powder coated himself and he blasted them himself. So we may put that up for extra content. We may not. We haven't figured that out yet. So, okay guys, enjoy the video. Eastwood. It's like identical to the Harbor Freight one when we did that.
Now we just need a white one and we'll be all American.
Yeah. So we got those two that come in it. Here's our dead man. We'll end up popping that right out of it. This pin, taking this whole piece right off and control it by the valve. This must be the leg, I'm assuming. Harbor Freight, so it's a little bit, no, there's a difference.
That's the axle between the wheels.
Oh, there you go. Okay, that's gonna be a lot nicer than what we're freaking dealing with. Because if I put the Harbor Freight one in, we would have only had 40 pounds. That one's 100. Then got the wheel, the other wheel. So this right here, oh, what the heck? That's weird. So this right here is what we're gonna, like we did on the last one, we're gonna take this whole thing to Home Depot and switch that whole thing right out. Just another, let's see, where's my blade? Right there. Oh, they gave us the tips. The smallest one we never use, the media only goes through the top two. That very small, okay, our gauge. The cheesy ass helmets that don't really work. Another valve for the air, so that we'll just have to set it up like we did with the Harbor Freight. But you know what? This seems so much better quality than the Harbor Freight one. You know that?
Are you surprised?
No, I mean, usually Harbor Freight is fine, but it just, I don't know, it just seems better quality for some reason, like the parts. So we got that. Dead man, which we're gonna drill it, we'll drill out. The 2 tires. All the bits and pieces. And then tape. And does it say 100 pounds on here anywhere? No, it's just Eastwood. Okay, well, that's all we got for that. And the video to replace this. Wait, that's 1/2 inch. So I wonder if Eastwood automatically did 1/2 inch. Because that's a 1/2 inch valve right there. Huh, okay. Well, we'll check it out, and we might go to a 1/2 inch down here. I don't know what down here is, but we'll find out. And next Wednesday, if it's all not 1/2 inch, next Wednesday we'll go to Harbor Freight and we'll get the pieces and we'll redo everything in 1/2 inch.